Hello guys, welcome to MyPCNinja. Today, I am going to show you how to get Windows 11 early access. So, without any further ado, let's get started. Okay, so here we are on the screen as you can see. Now, go to your Windows settings. And then go to Update and Security. Then from there, head over to the Windows Insider program. Click on Get Started. Sign into your Microsoft account. If you don't have any, then create one first, and then try to sign in from here. Click on Register. Accept the terms and conditions and submit. Now, pick your Insider program channel. If you want to get Windows 11 early access, you do have to select the developer channel. Here I am selecting Release Preview channel, cause this PC doesn't support Windows 11 requirements. Once you confirm, it'll ask you to restart the PC. Just restart it. And there you have it guys. You have subscribed to Windows 11 early access. Now, once Windows 11 is available officially, you'll get early updates straight from Microsoft itself. So guys, if you like this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to this channel for more awesome content in the future. Till then, stay safe, and I'll meet you guys in the next video.